The run-up to the elections, the Aam Aadmi Party versus the BJP that continue to bicker as the clock ticks down to next week's elections. Well, it is Arvind Kejriwal, the former Chief Minister of the national capital, accusing, Haryana of mixing poison in the city's water supply. Now, Arvind Kejriwal has gone on to say that the BJP states are mixing poison, and which is the water supply to the national capital, hoping to blame the Aam Aadmi Party for the people falling sick in the national capital. Let's just get you some of the reactions coming in. Of course, the BJP, they're saying that, especially, the state of Haryana coming out in its defense, saying that they plan to sue Arvind Kejriwal.
जब से आम आदमी पार्टी के मुखिया अरविंद केजरीवाल जी ने और मैंने भारतीय जनता पार्टी का षड्यंत्र, दिल्ली को जहरीला पानी भेजने का षड्यंत्र, जब उसका पर्दाफाश किया तो बीजेपी ने अपने एलजी साहब को लगा दिया दिल्ली जल बोर्ड के अफसरों पर दबाव बनाने में। आज के दिन पे 6.5 ppm अमोनिया यमुना के पानी में है, यानी 6 गुना ज्यादा अमोनिया, यानी ये पानी जहरीला है। चुनाव हार रहे हैं तो भारतीय जनता पार्टी इतनी गंदी राजनीति करेगी? वो दिल्ली वालों को जहरीला पानी भेजेंगे?
जैसा बयान आज अरविंद केजरीवाल ने दिया है, इससे तो लगता है कि चुनाव में संभावित हार को देखते हुए वे अपना मानसिक संतुलन खो चुके हैं। केजरीवाल दिल्ली के लिए आपदा बन चुके हैं और विधानसभा चुनाव में दिल्ली वासियों के आशीर्वाद से भाजपा दिल्ली को इस आपदा से मुक्ति दिलाने जा रही है। इस सरासर झूठे और घटिया बयान के लिए वो हरियाणा और दिल्ली की जनता से तुरंत माफी मांगे, वरना हम उसके खिलाफ मानहानि का दावा करेंगे।
Well, we have my colleague Shreya joining us to get us more on this. Shreya, in this war of words, of course, the Aam Aadmi Party accusing the BJP, but it is the Delhi Jal Board that has come out to say that these claims that are being made by Arvind Kejriwal and Aatishi are completely false.
Absolutely. We know that the Yamuna pollution has always been a political battleground for all the political parties, especially ahead of the assembly elections. We saw BJP accusing Aam Aadmi Party of not being able to fix the Yamuna pollution. And although we saw Mr. Kejriwal acknowledging the unresolved issue of Yamuna pollution as per his poll promise in 2020, he then later turned the tables and began to shift the blame to Haryana government. And this is almost like a political deja vu, because last year also we saw regarding the water crisis during the summers, there was this issue of tanker mafias, and the court had also slammed the government, the Aam Aadmi government, for not taking action in punishing these tanker mafias. And that time too, Aam Aadmi Party government had shifted the blame to the Haryana government. This time around as well, we saw CM Aatishi writing a letter to the Election Commission, although a meeting was held and the Delhi Jal Board has clearly stated that these statements are fear-mongering, they are misleading and fake information that are being spread by Aam Aadmi Party government. Although Aatishi has went on to say that it is in the last 4-5 days that the Yamuna levels have risen, and it has been causing a public health crisis, and BJP is doing this, is resorting to such dirty tactics because they know for a fact that they're losing the elections, and that is why they're trying to cripple the sewage treatment plants and further polluting the Yamuna water, which is going to cause a public health crisis. Although we know that DJB has confirmed that these there are no official evidence as to how the Haryana government is trying to pollute the waters. I am right now in the Kalindi Kunj Yamuna Ghat, and as you can see, this area has perpetually been quite polluted. The water has been polluted. This area remains unclean, and these are the things that we at NDTV have also been highlighting time and again, and we do not see much action or ownership being taken by the Aam Aadmi Party government. And although now we see BJP, especially Mr. Amit Shah, also stating that if BJP comes to power, which they have been out of power for the last 3 decades, if they come to power, they will clean the Yamuna, and they have promised this time and again. But we also know that the Haryana CM, after listening to all these allegations and claims made by Mr. Kejriwal and Atishi, he said that he will file a defamation suit against Mr. Kejriwal for spreading these lies, for spreading misinformation, and for evoking fear amongst people ahead of the elections. And he has asked several pertinent questions as to how is the Delhi government, if at all, if Haryana is sending polluted water or industrial wastewater into the Yamuna, how exactly did Aam Aadmi Party stop this water from mixing in the Yamuna? Did they build a gate or a bridge? How did their engineer exactly tackle this crisis? These are pertinent questions in this entire political slugfest. And although we have seen Mr. Kejriwal acknowledging his failed attempt in cleaning the Yamuna, yet again we see him turning the tables to BJP-led government in Haryana for not being able to solve the Yamuna pollution.